So this gadget here has been an absolute lifesaver. Now this is the magnetic neck holder from Telson, and it's just been an absolute amazing product to use. You can see here, these are the straps that will go around your neck when using this. They are quite bendable and they are soft at the same time. They've got some cushioning for the back of the neck as well as the sides of the shoulder here. So overall, when you're using this, it feels absolutely amazing. It's also got this body mount here, which is super high quality. It's got this little cushion here against the chest, so when you are running and this might be bouncing up and down, it will not hurt your chest, which has been so good. It's also got this really nice, really high quality magnetic ring up at the front with these interlocking joints here, which are quite stiff, which makes maneuvering this really nice, because that way it won't move around when the camera's actually on it, and the camera can just go on the front right here. Now, this is a Samsung phone with the magnetic ring holder on the back. All I need to do is just snap that on just like this, and you can see that the ring is strong enough to hold up the phone, and quite a lot of movement as well. The phone will not fall off, which is absolutely amazing. The other cool thing is you can just really adjust this ring to wherever you want. And if I just turn it on like this, we can get the camera up and going. And you can see that this is what the body mount will look like. So overall, I've been using this and it's been so nice to use, just really easy to operate, completely hands-free for when filming different sort of products and features. So that works really, really nice. Now, the one thing to make sure when using this is that this is the place that goes around your neck, but it will not fit. So there's this little button around the back that will allow you to remove one of these sides, and it will open up just like this so it can slot around your neck. And then once it's on there, you can then just snap this closed and it will snap back into place. So overall, a really great addition. Absolutely love this. This magnetic neck holder has been an absolute lifesaver, and I've just been absolutely loving it. So if you need a high quality one, highly recommend checking this one out.